effortlessly gliding through the air. He watches the beauty of the earth unfold beneath him. Above the peaks, the young man feels the power of flight. As the clouds part, the young man cuts through the sky, feeling the rush of the wind. Flying high above the earth, he witnesses the beauty of nature below.
Racing through the skies, the young man feels the thrill of freedom, moving faster than ever before. Above the clouds, the young man flies unhindered, gliding through the open sky.
As he descends, the young man returns to the earth, the journey coming to a peaceful close. The journey has ended, but the memories of the sky remain forever.